ready to transform your Blooket games and make learning a whole new challenge. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of inverting questions and answers in Blooket, a technique that can seriously boost your students' critical thinking and comprehension. First things first, let's head into the Create section of Blooket and start a new set or edit an existing one. The magic happens when we start crafting our questions and answers. Normally, you'd type your question here and then the correct answer, but what if we flipped that? Instead of asking, what is the capital of France? Let's type Paris into the answer box. And in the question box, we'll put something like, which French city is known for the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre? This forces students to recall information based on a description rather than a direct question. This method is fantastic for reinforcing deeper understanding instead of simple recall. Students have to connect concepts and identify the correct term from a context. You can also get creative with multiplechoice answers to further test their knowledge. For example, if your answer is photosynthesis, you could list incorrect processes like transpiration or respiration as other options. This approach encourages students to think critically and analyze the provided information. Moving beyond rote memorization, it's a powerful tool for preparing them for more complex problem-solving scenarios. Think about inverting definitions, historical events linked to dates, or even scientific formulas, and their applications. The possibilities are almost endless. So next time you're setting up a Blooket, don't be afraid to invert those questions and answers. It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to make your lessons more dynamic and your students more engaged. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how you're using inverted questions in your Blooket games. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blooket hacks.